Alright, let's take a look at number 8. And for this one we're going to use the distributive property multiple times. Start by distributing c squared. And so we're going to multiply c squared times 2c squared, which gives us 2c to the fourth. Remember there's an invisible 1 on the c squared. And 1 times 2 is 2. C squared times c squared is c to the fourth. So now we're going to multiply c squared times c. There's another invisible 1 here. So we have 1 times 1, which is 1, and c squared times c is c cubed. That's 1c cubed. I don't have to write that one, but I am going to just to make it really clear what's happening. And then 1c squared times negative 3. Let's see, 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And c squared times negative 3 is just negative 3c squared. So that's the result of just distributing the c squared. I'm going to switch colors. And now let's distribute the negative 2. So negative 2 times 2c, I'm sorry, negative 2c. Negative 2c times 2c squared is negative 4c cubed, because negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and c times c squared is c cubed. And I'm going to write it underneath the other c cubed term that I have. That just allows me to organize it a little better. That's a 3. Try that again. It's a 3. Now negative 2c times 1c is negative 2c squared. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. C times c is c squared. And then negative 2c times negative 3 is actually positive 6c. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. And then multiplying a c in there gives me positive 6c. Let's switch to one more color and do the last set of distributions, which is 1 times 2c squared, 1 times 1c, and 1 times negative 3. So 1 times 2c squared is positive 2c squared. 1 times 2 is 2, and then multiply by c squared, and you have positive 2c squared. Positive 1 times positive 1c is positive 1c. And then positive 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Alright, now that I have used the distributive property fully and completely, I'm ready to add like terms. And the way I've written these, I've organized them so that the like terms line up vertically. And so you can see a set of like terms there, a set of like terms there, and a set of like terms here. So adding them together, I have 2c to the fourth, which stands alone since it doesn't have anything else that is like it. I have positive 1c cubed minus 4c cubed, which is negative 3c cubed. I have negative 3c squared minus 2c squared plus 2c squared. Well, the minus 2c squared and the plus 2c squared will cancel, so I'm left with negative 3c squared. And then 6c plus 1c is 7c. And finally, the minus 3 doesn't have anything like it, so I just write it again, and that's my answer. So hopefully that is helpful, and good luck with this week's test if you haven't already taken it.